Hi, I'm Josh. Today's demo was recorded a few days ago with Sadhana and Greg from Databricks' Money team, showcasing some of the upcoming features to help you better manage your costs inside of Databricks. I hope you enjoy this video and thank you so very much for watching. Sadhana, what are some of the new features that Databricks has been working on around cost management?
We have a couple of new features that we're excited to be launching in the next couple of months around cost management. As you know, last year is when we introduced sort of the system tables and the system billing tables. And in the last year, we've understood deeply what common customer needs are around the types of insights and capabilities they're looking for when it comes to cost observability. So we have actually a brand new V2 of the popular usage dashboard that's in preview. And we're excited to show a bit of that. It's already in GitHub, and a couple customers have their hands on it. And we're actually working on even more sophisticated tooling around cost observability and introducing a native UI to help users get started out of the box and understand the cost of their account.
Want to go ahead and show off this new dashboard?
Sure. Yeah. So you're seeing on my screen, this is an AI BI dashboard. It's version 2 of our popular usage dashboard. And again, the last year understood deeply in what customers' needs are around cost observability. A couple of cool features here that we're really excited and customers have been loving already. We're using the new AI BI global filters functionality here, and have actually built in the ability for customers to toggle between different types of price metrics. And this is another new feature that we're onboarding customers on. So instead of just looking at your usage on list price, you'll now be able to toggle onto account prices as well. So you have your all-in price.
That's such a big thing.
Discounts. Exactly, yes. And that's in preview, and we have customers on AWS and GCP onboarding on this. So that's obviously one foundational improvement on the dashboard. We have the ability now to easily get forecasts on your usage, and this is actually using the new AI forecast SQL function under the hood. So sort of come in here I'm actually looking at cost across the last 3 months, and I am forecasting three days out. And you sort of see in the graph here in gray is some of the forecasted usage based off the historical look back period here as well.
It's pretty awesome.
A couple of things on the new dashboard I'll touch on is of course, customers are looking to get an overview of usage. But where we're getting a lot of interest is our ability to support customers with chargebacks. And typically, they're using tags and different sort of workspaces to allocate costs across different business units and teams. Here, this example you're seeing, internally in our staging environment, we're using the budget tag as a way to actually allocate and attribute costs to different units within Databricks. And you can sort of see here, ourselves are trying to improve the tag match rate of the budget tag. A lot of usage is still untagged here. So this gives me a quick snapshot of how well my tagging governance is across my account. But if I want to sort of drill into and look at what are the top sort of budgets here that are sort of driving spend in this account, I now have an ability to break out product, break out workspace by different budgets, and sort of see here that we have a SQL team here that is one of the biggest drivers of our budgets. So kind of easy ways to use tag as a top level filter and drill into particular areas of spend across your business and organization boundaries.
This looks pretty sweet, by the way. It feels a lot more mature, so I love it.
Awesome. Yeah, this is co-developed by kind of Cody Davis, who's the mastermind behind the DB SQL Advisor dashboard as well. So
he's an awesome guy. I know Cody.
Yeah. So major kudos to him on this as well. And then the last thing I'll show off here, and I think this is really where we've had a couple of aha moments with customers as I've been using it, is okay, I know I'm not tagging my account perfectly with the budget tag. Where do I actually start in terms of identifying what's untagged and ensuring that those owners tag their resources? Here I'm actually looking for the budget tag. I'm looking for all the usage that doesn't match this tag. And I can actually come down here and drill into the specific objects, warehouses, clusters, model serving endpoints that are untagged. So you sort of see here, there's one that's, it's a pretty penny. In these last 3 months, it's cost just a couple $100,000. I can come in, I can click into this object. When I click into that object, I actually open up the cluster directly, and you sort of
I
see,
love this. I
yeah,
love this
that
very
point,
much.
you know,
You're making it so instead of it just being, hey, there's just something explaining what's wrong, you're actually pointing directly, hey, go fix this. You can go fix this right now.
exactly, yeah. And that's the direction we're moving into, is helping customers like actually take action on improving, optimizing, governing their costs. So that's the new usage dashboard, forecasting capabilities that we're excited about, tag capabilities, and then, to your point, getting into the actual actions around governing spend.
Now, if I'm a business decision maker and not necessarily a developer, is there something that streamlines my ability to understand our costs?
We're kind of giving you an exclusive preview here. So it's a feature we're developing. This is zero setup, completely out of the box. It doesn't require you to set up or configure a warehouse or run any queries, but we have actually directly integrated in the account console. And I think what's really exciting is we're actually going to have this integrated in the workspace as well. So workspace admins will have kind of full visibility into the cost of their workspace. It's what we're calling the cost overview UI. So in a couple of seconds, you will have full visibility into how much you've spent across the time period of your choice. Here I'm looking at the last month and how much I've spent at this account. I can filter down to specific workspaces as well. I have this sense of my my burn rate. You know, how quickly are we growing? And yeah, here we can see sort of month over month, we're going at 45%. And if I want to dig a little bit deeper and actually get a sense of what are the biggest spend drivers that are contributing this cost, I come in here, I sort of see all purpose has kind of consistently been growing at a triple digit growth rate in this account. And if I actually want to get a sense of like, okay, what might be some of these silent budget creepers that maybe are small spend today, but are growing very rapidly, I have an ability just to sort of filter through and get a sense of those big spend drivers too. So this is the direction we'll be moving in as well to help our business stakeholders get out of the box, sort of low latency visibility into the costs of their account, just a couple of clicks.
That's pretty awesome. Love to see this view improve, because honestly, I once upon a time I was concerned that the Databricks was going to go all in on just the dashboards that are part of using API dashboards as the foundation. It makes sense to have this view at the account level without having to go into a workspace for those business decision makers. So I love it.
Yeah, I think what we learned is that with FinOps, it's a multi-stakeholder practice. So there are different populations, and we serve the needs of more of our platform engineers, technical analysts with the dashboard. And now we're looking to really address the needs of our business stakeholders that need immediate visibility. So
I'm disappointed that there's no pie charts, Greg.
We were going to throw one in just for you. Have a little pie chart at the bottom.
Yeah.